What if I told you there's a secret strategy that creators are using to clip content on Whop, post it to their social media profile, get views and get paid as quick as possible? Well, in this video I'm going to share with you my exact strategy, and before I decided to share this information publicly, I went right ahead and put it to the test. And if you turn over to the screen right now, I posted a video 3 days ago and you can see already I got 4.3 thousand views. And if I go to the shorts section right here, you can see that there's only one video I was able to get views with my first post. And this is exactly what I'm going to share with you so that you can get similar results or better results clipping for Whop Content Rewards and make money as fast as possible. So the first thing to clip content on Whop is that you need to log in with your account and want to make sure you click right here where it says discover. For those of you that might not be aware of this business model, on Whop there is this program known as the Content Rewards where creators post content or have long form videos and they are looking for other creators who are willing to get those long form videos, turn them into short form videos and post them on various social media accounts. You can be on TikTok, it can be on Instagram, it can be on YouTube Shorts. So for example, you can see right here we have, let's say, Golly will pay you 1.5 per 1,000 views to clip content and post it to Instagram. Click right here where it says show. Or what this does is that it will show you all the content rewards programs that are available on the platform, and here you can choose to join as many content rewards programs as you like. So what I normally do, first I'm looking for a content rewards program that is on the platform I like to create content about. In my case, I like creating for YouTube. The other thing that I like to do is to sort by highest available budget. Now the reason I like doing this is because there are some reward programs which maybe, let's say, if the budget is $200, imagine someone just posts one video and they get a lot of views, they'll probably finish that budget before you actually post your own content. So you're looking for reward programs that have a large budget. Minimum budget should be at least $1,000 for you to consider that rewards program as a good rewards program. Now here on the rewards page, there's something that a lot of beginners are actually missing on, and this button right here next to content rewards, you see the button which says submissions. Now when you click on that one, what will happen is that you will be able to see a lot of high performing content on the platform, and you can see all these are shorts that have done very well in different rewards program, and you can even get ideas of which rewards programs are paying very well, and you can learn from them. And all you have to do is just copy the style how they are editing their own videos. I'm going to show you how we do that. You can even find content rewards programs from here that you can actually also join to get paid high. Inside the content rewards program that you want to clip for, what you want to do is click right here where it says N, and from the N option you want to find where it says content rewards, and you can see right here. So just click on it, and here there are few things that you need to pay attention to. First and foremost, you want to make sure a budget is at least more than $1,000 and it's not depleted. In this case, you can see right here the budget has already been finished. I don't know if they will refill it. They might add more money depending with if they got the desired outcome from the previous promotions. And you want to also see the time left for the content rewards. So if, let's say, you find a content rewards program with only a day left, that's a content reward program you don't want to waste time on. You want to find a content rewards program with at least 30 days left. That way you'll be able to know that you will actually get paid for the content that you are clipping for. Then you also want to check the requirements and make sure you have the platform right here that you'll be publishing for. Here you have the assets folder. Download these assets. So once you have the necessary assets to your device, the next thing you have to do is to start the actual clipping. And to do that, you need to use any free editing software. There's Canva, there's Clipchamp, but my favorite one is CapCut. I went right ahead, like I already showed you on the content rewards section. When you click on the submissions page, I found this video right here, which was very easy to make. The only thing they have is they have the main creator or moving showing us like the backside, and they only have text like 1 million a year is equivalent to 384 a day locking. And they also had background music. Now I did mute the background music so that I do not get any copyright. So we know exactly the style we are going for. So all you have to do is click right here where it says create project. So once you've imported the assets, all you have to do is drag them to the timeline, for example right here. Now depending on the assets that you were given, sometimes you might be lucky that the assets you've been given are already in vertical format. Now what I simply mean is that they are already in mobile version format, that is a 9:16. Now sometimes you might have a video that's not necessarily a 9:15. So here we have this one. So what you have to do right here where it says ratio sure click on it and you want to set it to 9:16. So now all you have to do is watch through the video and find the necessary part that you need. Now here, this clip necessarily doesn't have what I need. I'm looking for a clip where, let's say, the main character I want to show in the shot is giving us the backside, like the style that I actually saw on the other video. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually use the other clip right here. So this is the clip that I want, and if, let's say, I move it, you can see that we have that where it's giving us the backside and the like. So all we have to do now is to add some text. Now we only need at least 10 seconds of it. So anything above 10 seconds that we don't need, we'll delete it right here. So all you have to do is click the B button, which is a shortcut for CapCut. You cut the video and select the part I don't need, simply hit the delete. So when you are doing your first clips, make sure they are not more than 20 seconds. Especially for your first clip. Here, you just need to add text. Click right here where it says text and you click add text. So now you would want to say something for your text similar to the video inspiration that you got. Now if you remember, the video, the inspiration we're taking from was saying 1 million a year is only $384 a day. So now I would want maybe to say something like maybe this amount in a week is only this amount in an hour or a day and the like. So what you can do, you go just to ChatGPT and ask something, a question to give you some ideas. So here I asked ChatGPT, how much would I need to make an hour to make 1,000 a week? And you can see ChatGPT says 40 hours a week. Let's say you're working full time, you'd need to make at least $25 an hour, and so forth and so on. I've gone right ahead and typed in 1,000 a week is only $25 an hour. So you just need to adjust this so that it fits the screen, and I can place it right here. And maybe I'd want to change the font so that it's visible. Right here, I like to go with, you can go with Poppins, you can go with whichever font you like, then enlarge it so that it's visible like that. That's it. So just need now to stretch this entire text right here up to 10 seconds like that. So let me just go right ahead and play this. I'll mute it so that we don't get any copyright, and let me just show you now our final clip, the way it looks like. Now, if you remember from the video that we're taking inspiration from, they didn't have the full video in the frame. So we want also to replicate that. That's why I was saying you actually imitate what others are doing. It's already working. You don't need to change anything. So I'm going to go to masks right here and click add mask. And once the mask is added, I'm just going to adjust it like that, like that. Okay. Yeah, I think something like that. As simple as that. So this is our clip now. You just need to export this clip. Now to export the clip, just click right here where it says export. Choose the folder you want to export to and simply hit export. The next thing is to simply upload the video to the right platform. In this case, I'll be uploading to YouTube. So all I have to do is click right here where it says upload. Now, for those of you that would want maybe to use a new channel for clipping, and depending with the rewards program that you are actually creating for, some will require you to create a dedicated page. Let me just show you quickly how you can set up a brand new channel. So on your profile, when you're on the desktop version, you click on your profile right here and you see where it says settings, just click on it, and from here you see where it says add or manage channels, just click on that, and you can see that with this single Gmail account I have at least 4 channels already created. So all you have to do is click right here where it says create a channel, and you'll be able to create multiple channels. So I'm just going to go back and simply upload the video. So I'm just going to click right here. Now YouTube will take me to the studio dashboard, and all I have to do is click right here where it says select files, and from here I just need to find the video and select it and simply click open, and YouTube will start uploading it. Now you want to give it a title. Now the title, when it comes to shorts, does not necessarily have much influence on what you are creating. However, it does help to create a catchy title because even shorts are shown in search results. And sometimes you might discover that the content rewards program that you're actually clipping for requires you to actually tag the actual owner of the video. So you might have to add their tag right here if, let's say, they're on YouTube, depending on the platform that is applicable. That's why it's necessary you go through the requirements that they tell you. The rest you can leave it as it is, and in the tags section, please do not add anything. Do not add anything. You want the algorithm to figure out everything by itself, because you add tags right here, you will confuse the algorithm and it will be very difficult for it to start promoting your short. And once you do that, just simply click next. Sometimes you might discover that the short shows like a copyright here, like copyright content found. Now with shorts, even if you use music that is copyrighted, it's okay with shorts. So just simply click next right here. Now here, don't rush to set it to public. First and foremost, you'd want to set it to private or unlisted. Now personally, Personally, I like to go with private and simply click save right here. And once it's uploaded, you want to go to the shorts section right here, and you want to click again on the pencil icon for the same video that you want to publish. And you want to take note of this video link because you'll be publishing it to the content rewards. So you copy this video link and you want to go back now to the content rewards for the actual program and check if all the requirements that are needed for you to publish it are met. Now immediately you save the video and publish it. Please do not watch your own shot, do not watch your own video. Immediately you do that, it will be stuck in the 0 view jail. What you want to do after publishing it is to not even pay attention to it and give it 24 hours. You can log into your channel, but by no means do not watch your video. Another tip, what I would say is that if you post your video and after let's say 24 hours your video does not get any views, if after 24 hours it doesn't get views, simply delete the video and upload it at a different time. If it doesn't get views, again delete it, upload at a different time for the third time. If it doesn't get views, it means that channel is not working out. You'd want to use a different channel. Your first shot should get at least between 200 to 2000 views. If it doesn't get any views at all, then you are doing something wrong, or probably watched your own shot. Now after it is published, the final thing you want to do is to submit it to content rewards. If you don't do this within an hour, you won't get paid. That's how you clip for content rewards. So here we go back to content rewards and you click right here where it says submit. Now when you click submit right here, and here where it says provide link, you paste in the link for the platform that you published on, and you want to upload the same video you published to YouTube or to whichever platform you upload it right here. You have to use the original file you uploaded to the same platform. Once you upload it right here, you just simply click submit, and it might take, let's say, an hour, maybe to 2 hours, sometimes even 24 hours for them to approve. But even if, let's say, they approve after 24 hours and your video has already gotten a lot of views, they'll count even the views that you got before the approval and you start getting paid automatically.